Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, new Wayfarer RB2132 in color code 6052/58. It's a black transparent color frame. On the template here we have a silver Ray-Ban writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the silver Ray-Ban writing. On the lenses here, we have a polarized green color, and they have a Ray-Ban writing in white on the top right lens with a P as well for polarized, and a sticker here that says that it's a polarized frame. Up here we have a Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and this is an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.